Before enabling advanced security, ensure you have a valid Rogers account linked to Xfinity services and a stable internet connection. Open the Rogers Xfinity app on your iOS device version 14 or higher, or Android device version 8 or higher. Navigate to the Security tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Look for an option labeled Advanced Threat Protection or XFi Shield. Toggle this option to the On position. The app will prompt you to grant permissions for device scanning. This allows monitoring of network traffic for anomalies and potential threats. Once enabled, the app uses AI-based profiling to learn your typical device behavior and flag any suspicious activities, like unauthorized logins. This proactive approach helps prevent cyber attacks. For non-mobile setup, use the web portal, but the steps are similar. Once threat protection is enabled in the Rogers Xfinity app, let's understand how it works and explore customization options. The app uses Bitdefender's powerful engine for real-time scanning, VPN encryption, and threat intelligence. This system constantly monitors your network and connected devices for potential threats. To customize, explore the settings in the Security tab of the app. Here you can set specific rules, such as blocking phishing sites or preventing access to known malicious domains. The app sends alerts via push notifications or email when it detects suspicious activity. It's important to review these alerts promptly and take appropriate action. For example, the system can block phishing attacks where attackers try to steal your credentials through fake emails or websites. While basic threat protection is enabled by default for Rogers Ignite subscribers, advanced features like parental controls and VPN require the Xfinity Security for Home add-on at $10 per month. Regularly update the app to ensure you have the latest security patches and threat definitions. By understanding how the threat protection works and customizing it to your specific needs, you can maximize your online security.